What's the meaning of bay leaf? Bay leaf. Bay leaf.
Bay leaf. Bay leaf. Bay leaf is a common herb used in cooking that is derived from the leaves of the bay laurel tree. It is often used in soups, stews, and sauces to add flavor and aroma to dishes. Bay leaves have a subtly sweet and slightly bitter taste, with a floral and herbal scent. They are usually added to recipes whole and removed before serving, as they can be tough and difficult to chew. In addition to culinary uses, bay leaves have been used for medicinal purposes for centuries, including as a natural remedy for digestive issues, respiratory problems, and inflammation.